A good hook. Of course, you got to grab their attention when they come in. Actually, let's start at the very beginning. So the core or the you got to be able to get them to click before you can actually deliver your content. So the very first part, of course, is coming up with a good topic that's going to resonate with the people that you're trying to reach. Make a thumbnail that instead of, having that thumbnail necessarily featured on you or having a bunch of unnecessary text in your thumbnails, things like that, just focusing on imagery that's going to help the people that you're trying to connect with understand at a glance, and this is a really important part, understand at a glance that the content that you're making is something that they're interested in. An example that I like to give for this is, for somebody that talks about baseball, even if they're not showing games or anything like that, if they're just talking about baseball, if they have a thumbnail and in that thumbnail, it's them, or it's, something that's kind of unrelated to baseball, like a bunch of, text about them or their own branding or whatever it happens to be, and they put that out there, so the baseball enthusiasts that they're trying to reach, they're going to just glance right over that because it's not going to grab their attention. They're not going to see that as something that they're already interested in. But if they instead use baseball imagery, even if they're sitting in an office talking about baseball, they're not on a field, anything like that, but if they use baseball imagery in their thumbnail, that helps the people that they're trying to reach identify that that content is something that they might be interested in. So because of that, you have to make sure that you do those types of things as well as a compelling title. But once you get them to click, then when you come into the actual piece of video content itself, it's really important that you hook your viewer. And what that means is you grab their attention and you let them know that basically you're not clickbaiting them. You let them know that you're in the right place, and you let them know what it is that you're going to be taking them through in the video. So you can do that through either introducing, a story at the beginning, or just simply saying, I'm going to be showing you this, or I'm going to be teaching you this in the video, or by the time you're finished with this video, you're going to know how to XYZ. So the idea is just putting that hook in there so that people know what to expect, but also so that they can confirm that what they clicked on is what they're actually going to get for the people that are not familiar with you already.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.